So last week I showed you how I built my own outdoor dining table, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to give it a much needed makeover. So after being used for 3 years, the table was in need of a makeover because as you can see the paint was all peeling off. So what I've done, I scraped all the loose paint off. I'm not going to repaint the top though, I've got something else in mind for this. But I did repaint the sides and the legs of the table, and for this I used the RustOleum garden paint in the color Homespun. And for the top I'm using a towel, and I got my towels from Towel Warehouse. This towel is called Seville Green, it's 10 by 10 centimeters. And unfortunately it did arrive with a bit of tape still on they use in the kiln, but this easily comes off with just a sponge and water. And to attach these to the table, just apply a layer of a waterproof fixing grout. You can apply a layer on your towel as well, and then you're gonna simply push it in place. It couldn't be any easier. And I made sure my towels were the right size for my table, so no cutting was involved. And you simply apply the glue, apply your towel, and that's it. When the whole table is toweled, you have to wait a little bit before you can grout. And I use this time to make some edging for my table. Just a bit of strip wood cut to the length of your table, just to hide the ugly side edge of your towel and to make your table look a little bit neater. I'm going to glued and nail these in place. And for the longer lengths, it's very easy just to hold them in place with a bit of painter's tape. And then you can use some nails to hammer it into the frame of your table. And these sides I paint the same color as the legs, which is Homespun by RustOleum. Now, for a bit of extra loveliness around the table, I'm gonna make a frame that you can use to hang lanterns on, solar lights, flowers, bunting, wherever you want above your table. For this I cut 2 large poles to the length of 1.7 meters. I screw this into the side of the table, and in between these large poles you put a slightly thinner pole. Screw this in place and that's your frame done. And when the towel glue was dry, it's time to grout, and for this I used a ready-made Unibond grout in a slightly beigey tone, for the beige was nice outside and a bright white. Just follow the instructions on the package. You just press the grout in between the towels. When it's time to clean, you just get a sponge, water, and you just keep scrubbing until your whole table is done. I love the look the table has now. It was such an easy project because I made sure the towels were the right size for my table, so I didn't need to cut anything. It was very easy to do, and I think the look is lovely. It photographs so nice as well. If you enjoyed this video, please have a look at all the other videos I have here on the Handmade Home channel, and I really hope to see you back again soon.